Hi, I'm Kuljit Tucker. I'm an engineer building ethical AI solutions at the Harvard Innovation Labs. And joining me on stage will be Claudia Joe, a classroom educator and learning scientist trained at the Harvard Graduate School of Education. And we are going to put the most famous number in education on trial. Everyone in education can quote Benjamin Bloom's famous result. Students with one-on-one tutoring outperform the classroom by 2 standard deviations. Here's what almost nobody quotes. Buried in the original dissertation, the tutored students had hit 90% mastery before they were allowed to move on. Classroom students had only hit 80. The number is broken, and the reason it's broken matters more than the number ever did. Because the effect was never the explaining, it was the refusal. Bloom's tutors would not let a student advance until they could do the work alone. That refusal is exactly what we removed when we put generative AI in the pocket of every student. And when the labs noticed, they shipped study modes. So I tested them. I built pre-registered, openly licensed corpus of 46 integrity scenarios, and I replicated the answer demands that student makes. The please just tell me please a stressed student makes at midnight. And I ran it against the tools that students are actually using. Those tools hand over the answer 80 to 100% of the time under pressure. Tools built to withhold cut that roughly in half, but they're still failing. The damage is obvious, and it concentrates in gateway courses. Classes like calculus, intro to computer science, general chemistry, first year writing, the ones that decide that who is equipped to succeed on this path. Where learning the material actually matters more than just passing the class. So we're bringing 3 things that you can take back to campus. One, a 10-minute pressure test that you can run on any tool yourself. A study design small enough for one instructor and one gateway section next term that separates real learning from score inflation. And assignment redesigns that keep the struggle where you can see it. No honor code needed. The point was never the finished problem set. It's students who can do it again next week with nobody helping. How do we get there? Tune in to find out.